This is G. Ramesh Kalyan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and we'll be discussing about the DT-based projects. So, good afternoon, students. In last class, we have discussed about the Agile framework. So, do you have any idea related to your Agile framework, any projects?
Yes, I have an idea. So, project is about helping college students to manage their project.
So, have you implemented all the DT concepts, empathizing, defining, and all those steps? Yeah, let's start.
Empathy and problem treatment is about what I try to understand the factors which will both the students and listeners, both the students and learners. And now I talked to the students and found that most of them are struggling to keep track on their tasks and updates. And most of them are conveyed that one of the students has completed most of the tasks, and many of them are don't know the overall progress. And mentor also said that the students not copy their regular updates. So that means that system that supports teamwork, communication, and progress tracking. And I will be connected.
So, I think this app could reduce the communication gap between the students and the faculty. Yeah, then.
So the summary of the vision I have. So by using Agile Scrum framework, we will help students to manage their projects works. So many of them faces many problems like poor communications and told missing many of the things. So our app will find a better way.
So, you're developing a mobile application, right?
The idea of our project is we use some ideas using WhatsApp groups or Google Sheet, which are not structured. So that finally we thought that Agile which was already using these campaigns. I think my idea is used to design a web or mobile applications that will create users to create an logs or assign goals like Scrum Master and product owner like that. And also it will track the daily progress. And then our app will helps to show a button thoughts and then also send reminders to the tracking meetings later. And then it will also connect the tools like GitHub for the version tool and then tool automation.
Next.
The prototype of our project is we created a simple prototype using Figma to show how the project is the project app will show you. It had a dashboard with project status and the dashboard with a simple tasks and let's print a planner page. Each user could log in and update tasks and check progress. The few students were checked this prototype and they said this is easiest and then helped them to understand their roles better.
And I made some more improvements. And then, for example, I added a notification for deadlines and also added a position for mentors to guide the students. And students felt more organized and motivation to complete their tasks. So finally, this project shows that how Agile Scrum help the students to meet their goals.
So, I think this app as a whole can help all the students, and can even a mentor could get benefited from this app. So, if any assignments or to be implemented to this, and any other applications or will be able to implement in real time if possible. Yeah. So, is there any other applications or any modules you can add in future? Anything like online meeting that could help the students, the online platforms, or even if like trying to like have some HRs included to it. We could have some connections with LinkedIn connections, HRs, so that people could, mainly students, will get benefited from this. Any other implementations? So like you could get feedback from both from students community as well as from faculties, so that in future you may add it to it as an extra modules. Right? Nice. So you can implement it.